So recently I made a big investment and bought myself the Canon 100mm macro lens. And it is a crazy lens that it's amazing. So why did I buy this lens? So first off, I've always been into macro photography. I've always wanted a macro lens, but of course, this one is fairly expensive. It's like about like $1,000 Canadian. So yeah, I had to wait a little bit, save up, put some money aside to buy this lens, and also because of this awesome photographer on Twitter. I think he goes by Drew on Twitter. I'll post the link in the description below, so you guys go check him out. And he recently bought this lens as well. And just seeing the amazing photos he could capture and create with just using a macro lens was just awesome. What he's doing with the macro lens, and so I decided to he made me he made me buy this lens. Like, he didn't tell me or anything like that, but just by the photos that he was posting and everything, I was like, okay, like there's like no way I can't own this lens. So I saved up a while and everything, and then until I had enough money, I went to my local camera store and I bought it. I bought the lens and I've been enjoying it ever since. So the only way I was taking macro photography before was with my iPhone with the Moment macro lens, which is an awesome lens to do macro photography on the iPhone. But this one, of course, the Canon one, it's a little better for me because I don't have to be that close for the macro photography to work, not like on the Moment lens. So how has it been using this lens? It's awesome. So I've used it in a couple of videos. I think you might have noticed which videos I have used them and which videos I have not used it, of course. And it's been great. I've been getting some different shots, some very close-up shots of some tech and everything. So it makes it easier for me to capture and just makes it a good video, of course. But also I've been doing a lot of photography as well. So like here I'll post some photos on the video, of course, of using just this macro lens right here to capture some crazy insane shots that I think look fantastic. But yeah, I've been sharing it on Instagram. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram, I've been uploading a ton of photos of me using this lens. And yeah, it's been fantastic using this lens. I've fallen in love with it. Now, of course, I'm still getting used to using this lens since it is a 100mm macro lens. So like there's certain I have to be a certain distance to capture a certain shot and everything, and so I'm still getting used to that. It's like if I had this lens connected to right now, this camera would have to be really far back just for me to be in the video, of course, or else you'll just see my teeth or my mustache or my nose, or just really close up everything. And so yeah, it's just an awesome lens that captures some great detail as well. So yeah, if you guys are on the fence of doing some macro photography or even video work, like this lens, I've been using it for a lot of YouTube videos as well, then yeah, go for it if you're looking to buy it. But it is a little expensive. This is my first EF lens, and yeah, it's fantastic. I like it really a lot. And I'm still getting, like I said, I'm still getting used to it. I'm still learning a lot more. And like I said, if you guys haven't checked out that photographer that I just mentioned in the beginning of the video, I'll post a link in the description below so you guys go check him out as well. And yeah, it's just awesome, this lens. And if you guys want to see more of my photography work and everything, you could go check out my Instagram page or my personal website as well, where I share a lot of my work there as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now, as always, please do subscribe to the channel if you guys want to keep up with anything tech related. And that's it for now, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.